Hello, some viewers. How are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video, we are going to discuss the convert package of NPM. How we can easily convert, kilometers, miles to kilometers, days to hours, hours to minutes. How we can do unit comparison in easy manner. For that, guys, we have to install an npm package called npm install convert. So this will install all the necessary libraries of convert for easy conversion. Add the packages. Now the packages have been added. So for convert, we are using this variable convert, and we are taking this library convert, which is an npm package. So it is very easy to convert miles to kilometers and many other units. So let us see one example. Let me just print console.log, and I want to convert, let's say 10, let's say miles, right? And my alias miles, not here. So before that console.log, I will have to use convert variable dot. When I put dot, it will show you many other things. So I'll put convert. So inside this we can, it is actual function. It is saying angle, number, int, radians, etc. So I'll use 10 miles. So for miles I have to put it like this. So miles, you have to put dot from here, dot. So now it comes to here I want in kilometers and convert it. So let us see the conversion. You can see the conversion is 16.09344 kilometers, right? Now to understand perfectly, right, we can write like this: the kilometers, 10 miles. If I clear this, see the kilometers for 10 miles are 16.09344. So what if I want to convert many? We have another method we can write. Let's see. If I put convert dot, we have convert many, right? So if I put convert many, so if I open the bracket, so convert many, see we have an example here, right? So let us take this example only. 1 day 12 hours, 2 hours. 1 day 12 hours, 2 hours, and I'll comment this one. So let us see the node. So now it is 36. See, so 1 day 12 hours into hours will be 36. So we'll see many more examples. Here this is a conversion of from miles to kilometers. Here this is a conversion of days to hours, and we can practice more examples so that we can understand the concept of convert npm package. So let me convert pounds to ounce, right? So we have, let's say, pounds to ounce. So I'll copy it here, dot, I just need convert, not convert many. So I want to display 18 pounds, 18 pounds dot to ounces. I think ounces is the, yes, see, ounces. So now let's take this, let's take the answer. So now, oh sorry, we are missing closing brackets. Now let me see, it is 288 ounces for 18 pounds. And we can do many other comparisons. Let's say, let me convert to atmospheres to kPa. So I can write atmosphere to kPa. So console.log, I want to take 15 atmospheres. I'll write before writing this, right? So I have to write convert.convert 15 atmospheres dot. You have to take 2. Now I have to convert. So K P A, that should be in single quotes. So it is 1519.875 kPa, which is equivalent to 15 atmospheres. So what if I want to convert I just want to convert duration to milliseconds, right? So I want to give some random duration into ms, milliseconds, right? So, so if I put console.log, right? And if I open the bracket, if I write convert dot, see if I put dot, we have used convert, we have used convert many, let us use ms, right? So ms is into milliseconds. So no matter what you do, so you can give a number second, begin, number. You can see right in this, you can pass each and everything, and you can convert the example here. So let me take, so 2 days, uh, 12 hours, 50 minutes, 2 milliseconds. I don't know how huge the number will be. Let's see. So this is the number we got. These many milliseconds are there in 2 days, 12 hours and 50 minutes. Let's say I want to convert Fahrenheit to Celsius. Let me convert this, right? So I can use convert itself. I'll copy up to here. I'll open the bracket. I'll write, let's say, 98.4 Fahrenheit. So I have to mention the Fahrenheit number here. So 98.4 Fahrenheit. I have to convert dot to, I have to convert to Celsius. So CL Celsius, right? So close the bracket here. Okay, let me run this. See, that is 38.8 degrees centigrade. This is 98.4 degrees Fahrenheit. This is 36.8 degrees centigrade. So you can play around with different examples. This is one of the easiest way to convert. So guys, just play around with the code. I'll copy the code in description. You can play around with different examples, and this will be useful in the projects where we have lots to convert, and inbuilt methods might not be there for this to be a possibility. So convert is like very good npm package to work on. So that's it for the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.